by C.G. Schmidt. Well, I have a question. What's inside walls?
Hello Tegan, my name is Jared Wolf and I'm a construction manager here at C.G. Schmidt. We received your question about what's inside a wall. So behind me I have a typical wall. A wall is going to be made up of some kind of framing or stud work. In this instance we have wood. You could build walls out of metal studs as well. But this is the part that's going to hold up the wall. Similar to the bones that are in your body. Helps keep you upright. In almost all walls, you're also going to have some mechanical systems. Here we have some plumbing lines and a drain line. Here we have outlets and light switches. Back in the corner here, we have some ductwork, and this is how you distribute air throughout the house or your building. Also in a wall, you're going to have some kind of an insulation. Here's an example of the insulation. It's just a big blanket for the wall. Helps keep the cold air out and the warm air in. Lastly, inside a wall, you might have some blocking, which is some of these other framing members. And this is just to help support items like millwork and cabinets and countertops and shelves. But that would be a typical wall. And I just wanted to thank you again, Tegan, for your question. And I hope you have a wonderful day.